Hearing resume. Okay, so since we're waiting for a very important document coming from from the LSB, so we will act on the motion of our Deputy Majority Floor Leader, Erwin Tulfo. But before we go on into voting, Congressman Paduano, you are recognized, Chairman.
Chairman, before I second the motion, let me clarify if who are those specific PNP officers that will be cited in contempt in today's hearing, as per motion of the Honorable Tolfo.
Yeah. So we will be more specific on the motion of Congressman Erwin Tulfo. So the motion is to cite in contempt
General Mariano and Colonel Cabradilla.
Yes, so there will be a motion. But before we act on that motion, because I have got a copy of the report of the PSB, the LSB, yung pong ating custodian ng ating pong House of Representatives, ano. And I read that Major Magsalos, that you have brought. Is this true, General Magsalos? In accordance with what I got, nagpasok ka ng 38 caliber dito sa kongresong ito? Yes, Major Magsalos. May nakuwang 38 caliber?
Negative, Mr. Chair.
Nung last hearing?
Mr. Chair, hindi po ako yun, Mr. Chair.
So, hindi ikaw yung may dala ng 38 caliber?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
So, we are inviting our LSB, no, para to find out, no,
Yes, Mr.
yung
Chair.
veracity ng report. So sige, you are raising your hand.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, go ahead.
ako po yung yung nagdala nung caliber 38.
Bakit may dala ka ng
Ebidensya po 'yun na pine-present po sa court kasi under po 'yun eh.
You are Desden, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Why did you bring a gun in the House of Representatives? Kahit kami mga congressman, hindi kami nakakapagdala ng baril dito. But you, I invited a resource person, have bring a gun inside the House of Representatives. Ha? Bakit ka nagdala ng baril dito? Kahit nasabihin na natin na yun ay ebidensya. Saan ebidensya yon?
Your Honor, na-restrict po kasi ako sa sa custody po ng NCRPO. So umaattend po ako ng hearing. Kaya naisipan ko na pong dalhin doon kasi hindi na po ako makauwi sa bahay.
Have you reported that sa cake? Na yun ay ginagamit sa ebidensya?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Have you reported that?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So in a while, we'll be asking the PSB kung yun ay talagang sinabi mo doon sa report sa amin. But that worries us, ha? Sige, Congressman Acop.
Saan galing yung baril na dala mo sa bahay ninyo?
Ebidensya po yun, sir, na ako ang may
Hindi mo
custody.
naman sinasagot yung tanong ko eh. Saan galing yung baril? Kasi ang sagot mo kanina, hindi ka na makakabalik sa bahay. So saan galing yung baril na yun?
Sa bahay po, Mr. Chair.
Ebidensya na sa bahay. General Tates, is that in accordance with the rules? Hindi ba pag ebidensya, nandun sa evidence custodian, sa evidence room?
That's correct, Your Honor. And that is the thing that I will have to look into, especially that before they were on house arrest here at House of Representatives, they were under custodial under the custody of the regional headquarters, particularly at the regional headquarters support unit. Naka-restrictive custody po sila doon, Your Honor.
So, ang ibig lang sabihin nito, yung baril na ebidensya, ay naiuwi pala ng mga polis.
Hindi, kaya nga naiuwi din niya yung 27 million eh. Hindi. Binabasa ko kasi nag-worry ako, nag-report sa akin yung PSP na sinasabi yung barrel na ipasok. Actually, nakalusot sila sa sa entrance. But nung dinadala na sila sa detention, doon nakuha yung 38 caliber. And now, nare-reveal pa na yun ay for evidence purposes. Now, galing sa bahay, dala mo. So, hindi ka ba mag-iisip? Di ba?
If I may, Mr.
Anyway, antayin lang natin sa PSB. So, you wanted to speak? Sige, Desden.
Mr. Chair, nung kailan lang po, last week,
LSP.
umatin po ako ng hearing, Mr. Chair. Dala ko na po siya nung umatin ako ng hearing.
Again, I didn't get it. Come again?
Mr. Chair, may expected kasi na hearing ako inatinan so kaya naisipan ko nang dalhin sa sa custodial facility yung ebidensya para hindi na po kasi ako makauwi, Mr. Chair.
Okay naman yun, wala tayong problema doon. But the mere fact that evidence is part of the custody what do you call that? Unit nyo, dapat nandun yung barel di ba?
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay Emma Rose, these police officers are trained to serve and protect, but as soon as they are in uniform, with firearms, police badge, and ranks, some of them abuse their positions anytime, anywhere, any means, at all costs. Pahayag naman ni Oscar Dumagsa, tanungin si Desda kung talaga may hearing schedule siya, what court at date at kung order na siya from his office with corresponding papers. Baka nag-imbento lang yan ng rason to justify himself in possession of a gun inside Congress. He could have shot any congressman or other person inside Congress. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Mao Digong, ang question sana kung Dan kung loaded ba o hindi yung baril. Kasi kung loaded yun, kahit pa sabihin niyang ebidensya, maaari niya yung gamitin pabor sa kanya at laban sa kahit na sinong congressman pwede niyang gamitin pang hostage o barilin ang mga kongresista. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.